It starts. The fourth experiment. Build a fluid power circuit for fourth experiment. Build a fluid power circuit for double acting cylinder being controlled by 4x2 DC solenoid operated valve. Actually here they are given 4x2. We are using the 5x2 DC operated valve, solenoid valve. Okay. So here how to connect this circuit. Before explaining that, let's see the circuit diagram of this. Here you can see in this circuit diagram, here you can see the double acting cylinder, and this is the 5x2. Here S indicates, here this symbol indicates the push button valve. So 5x2 push button valve, and this is the junction box, and this indicates the FRL unit symbol, and this is the air compressor supply. Okay, so now here before explaining this, I want to explain the difference between the 5x2 and 3x2 push button valve. Here you can see, I'll take first the 3x2 push button valve. So here you can indicate here how many 1, 2, 3 ports are there. Okay, it's a 3x2 push button valve. To identify also you can see 1, 3, 2 is written. So that indicates it is a 3x2 push button valve. In previous experiment we used the 3x2 push button valve. Whereas in this experiment we are using 5x2 push button valve. How to know 5x2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 ports are there and 2 exhausts are there. So 5x2 push button valve. So this is the push button valve. And another type of valve is there. So this is the pilot operated valve. So here 5x2. So once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the pilot. Okay, pilot operated. When they mention pilot operated double acting control, so you have to use this valve. Okay, I just explained the briefly about the valve. Now here you take the 5x2 push button valve. So this is the experiment just to control the double acting cylinder by using the 5x2 push button valve directly. We are not using either the flow controller or any other circuit. So here you can see first of all I'll remove the connections so that you know supply from the compressor, and from here we are connected to the this junction box. It is a fixed, and from this from anywhere this 6 or 7 ports you can take the as a source. I will connect to this first, then from this I will connect to this input of the double acting cylinder. Sorry, I did the wrong mistake. So this you have to connect from the junction box to this junction box to source. Then always remember from junction box you have to connect to source. Then here 4 is written, means top side is 4, top side is 4. So connect to this, and from the below port you connect to exit of the double acting cylinder. Okay, now you can see, just make it out and just operate it. Forward, reverse. Understood? So this is the double acting cylinder being controlled by the 5x2 push button valve. They are given 4x2, just differences we are using the 5x2 push button valve. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, that's it.